Sawubona wamazwidi. Sawubona mntakama. I think yeah, ubuza kahle sithandwa sami, and umbuzo wakho uyakhombisa ukuthi ngempela uyi-MK. Yabo? Engizokusho because lo mbuzo mina indlela engibuka ngayo ngubona umbuzo womuntu obuza out of concern. Yayibona lonto. First and foremost, into esizoyiqala, we started by fighting eParliament. Kwasho ukuthi ke eParliament asinazi inumber enough because of lower 10 owasuswa eParliament eso replacer ngo June this year. We understand? Siqale eParliament. Now amanye means ekuzofanele ukuthi enziwe. I don't know if we do, I'm not a lawyer. I don't know if we do have grounds ukuthi singakwazi ukuyi-challenge lento in court. But by the judgment of things, ngendlela engiyi-analyze ngayo when I heard a speech sikaMalema, is that layer report was illegal. You understand? Ukuthi ngisafuna ukungena ngideliberate into details about layer report. It's just that yenzeke in the middle of iviki and nathi abo bese business into eziningi yabo. But ngoba weekend today I'm going to deliberate kuyona and see kahle ukuthi umthetho wakhona istemma kuphi kanjani, what was supposed to be done yabo. But if ukuthi we fail through a court, then we call for a picket line. You understand? We call for a picket line, organize a march nayo yonke lento. Yabona ke mntakama, kunento namanje bengisafuna ukuthi ngifise ukuthi ke ngihlale nabantu beMK. Ke sihlale phansi and unpack izinto engizibonayo mina ezilimaza iMK. We understand? Not mhlambe ungangitsheni ngalabantu abayenza ama division zonke lezo zinto ihlezi zikhona kuwo wonke amaqembu. Now if kuukuthi we go on picket line and we call for a national shutdown, sithi hayi sonke siyo shut down izwe, we marching against lo 2% lo lentuza le VAT increase, angisho kanjalo, even though ingakabi u2% yet, but lo 0.5%. Yabo, mistake esayenzayo sithando ukuthi we don't have a union which is affiliated with umkhonto wesizwe. Yabo, wonke ama unions akhona affiliate with one Congress of the Unions, and that is iCOSATU. You understand? Ngifuna ukuthi uyizwe kahle lento. Affiliate no COSATU politically affiliate ne-ANC. Uyayibona lona. And when you want to picket or when you want to protest against something, you don't call for a political party kuphela and think ukuthi there will be an impact. There won't be enough impact, because guess what? Let's say for instance siyo picketer or siyo protester in Pretoria, its destination yethu is going to be union buildings. Masifika khona ezi-MK abantu abazobe besemsebenzini bazobe besibuka ngama-buildings, besibuka kanje ngama-buildings, kuthiwe babuzane bodwa lapha ema-ofisini, hawoba laba mashayo kuthiwa hayi MK. 5 minutes we pass by ama-workplaces wabo, we are heading towards i-union buildings njengamanje to hand over ilento yethu, memorandum yethu. Uyabo? But 5 minutes later, it's back to business as usual for the people that are working for whatever company. It's either a department, any entity, company or whatever. You understand? They are back to work after long. Sifika lapha yanje elentuzene union buildings. The only thing that was seen is the presence of MK, but what impact does it have? Zero. You understand? Because we do not have affiliation trade union which is affiliating with MK, a powerful trade union affiliate MK, which is going to say kusasa we're calling for all the workers which affiliate with so and so trade union to not to go to work. We are going on picket lines njengamanje. In that way, if people are not going to work, you cripple the economy. Companies lose revenue wabo on that day because of lack of services on that day, because abantu, they are not working, they are there picketing. You understand? It can only be felt through that way. But if you do not have, which is why even normally mamabe masha, it's not impactful, because we need a trade union that is going to affiliate with us. And when that trade union affiliates with us, we will be able to say, you guys are not going to work tomorrow because we called for a national shutdown protest. You understand? And when we protest, we told these people not to go to work. And a large number of people are not going to go to work. And you know what's going to happen? We cripple the economy, and that is going to be felt not only by companies, also by departments. If that day, the workers are not there to provide the services that are needed. You understand alone? So we admit as the MK khona la esanama loopholes khona. We didn't have any affiliation with us or a powerful trade union that is going to affiliate with us as EMK, of which I was thinking we need to register one and siqede ngalento ekuthiwa iCOSATU. Uyabo? We need to register a trade union yethu that is going to affiliate ne-MK. Siqede ngalento ekuthiwa iCOSATU, because they are useless. Uyabo? Njengamanje they are not doing anything, because kufana ukuthi bona abanyusa leya VAT leyana, because they affiliate with ANC. I understand a lot. So kukhona ukuthi ukhulume, one kukhona ukukhuluma if kukhona ukudla emlonyeni. Ngeke uzutshela umuntu osuthayo ukuthi asihambeni siyo lento siyosabalaza. Hlobo. Ngeke asazengene lo nto umuntu. Uyabo? But if utshela omunye umuntu okwi situation efana neyakho, obviously that person will go with you. Yabo? So we admit la kusakhona khona ama loopholes nama lento ekusafanele ukuthi siwenze. Yabo? We need a strong trade union, of which maybe soon I might register one that is going to oust yona le lento le COSATU yakhona, which is useless by the way. Yabo? It's useless anyway. And then we will create ilento so zama ukuthi sishele amanye ama trade unions ukuthi affiliate with us. Uyabo? Or else if they don't want to, then sishele abantu abangaphansi kwalawo ma trade unions ukuthi babuye bezojoina with us, because bazobe ubona obviously umsebenzi esiwenzayo. Uyayibona lona? So those are the things ekufanele ukuthi sizenze. Singaya kwi picket line after sibonile mhlawumbe ukuthi akwenzeki ngelentoza nge-court, and if kuukuthi ayenzeki nge-court, then obviously we go on picket lines, but it won't have much impact as if kuukuthi we have affiliation with the trade union that is going to take away our human resources from companies and entities, that is going to cripple the economy, so that when we strike and luyaphuka unyawo luyanyela from the companies, and then after that they will listen to our demands. Ngiyayibona lona. I hope ngi-answerishe kahle mazwidi. Ngiyabonga mntakama.